Hello life engineers and welcome to the YouTube channel of the Life Engineering Foundation. This is a daily personal school for all those who would like to take the responsibility of their own education in day-to-day life. I am Shraddha and I am presenting you series of A to Z of education, and in this video we have reached the English alphabet of V. So V for value education. So let us explore more in this video. An exemplary citizen is made and not born. Just as we learn mathematics and languages, we should also become specialists in those lessons that are fundamental to living in harmony and social progress, such as respect, empathy, equality, solidarity, and critical thinking. Values education is all about such lessons. Values education is something that is a responsibility of all of us. We cannot just expect that the values will be built just by sending our children to the school, or we will learn the values only after somebody is going to teach us. So basically, values education is something that is a responsibility of every single citizen. The family, universities, businesses, and especially the sports are all ideal contexts to teach these ethical principles. Values such as equality, fraternity, and justice can promote inclusivity, where all members of the society feel included irrespective of their color, culture, economic or social background, caste, religion, gender, or community. The culture of inclusivity is particularly relevant and important in the context of our society, nation, and making education a right for all the children. Now let us understand what are the different types of values. I have listed few here, like for example personal values, social values, moral values, spiritual values, universal values, and cultural values. Let us understand briefly what it means. So if we start with personal values means whatever a person needs in a social relationship. Some of the personal values are morality, courage, bravery, etc. A person cannot live in this world without people or without communicating with others. We all need social values like love, affection, friendship, noble groups, bravery, service, justice, freedom, patience, forgiveness, coordination, sympathy, tolerance, etc. Now, what are the moral values? These are the ethical values. Respect the authority of others, keep promises, avoid unnecessary problems, avoid cheating and dishonesty, etc. Now let us understand universal values. It is a universal value that specifies the sense of the human condition. It is a thorough universal value that we associate ourselves with humanity and the universe. Universal values can be experienced as joy, brotherhood, love, sympathy, service, heaven, truth, and eternity. Now let us talk about cultural values. Cultural values are associated with right or wrong, good and bad, customs and behavior. Next thing comes spiritual values. The ultimate moral value is called spiritual value. Spiritual values are purity, meditation, yoga, discipline, control, clarity, and devotion of God. Spiritual value education highlights the principles of self-discipline and discipline, satisfaction, etc. Now let us understand what is the aim of values education. The concept is about the educational process. Now let us have a formal definition for the aim of values education. The concept is about the educational process that instills moral standards to create more civil and democratic societies. Values education therefore promotes tolerance and understanding above and beyond our political, cultural, and religious differences, putting special emphasis on the defense, the protection of ethnic minorities and the most vulnerable groups, and the conservation of the environment. Values enshrined in the Constitution of India point towards the principles of equality and social justice and appreciation of cultural values of each other, dignity of all individuals, etc. Values should not be treated as idle concept, but it should be treated like an empowering tool which are helpful in meeting the challenges of be it religious fundamentalization, environmental degradation, multicultural conflicts, misuse of science and technology, inequalities, ill effects of mass media, globalization, commercialization, and so on. With this, we have come to the end of V video, which is V for values of education, and I will see you in the next video in the series of A to Z of education. Till then, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you very much.